welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, girl, we got a new wig, and this one is from Beauty Forever. Okay, now I have reviewed their wigs quite a few times on my channel, and I absolutely love them. They are one of my top favorites as well. Very, very beautiful and very good quality wigs, okay? Now you can trust me, I only bring you stuff I like over here. If I don't like it, it won't be shown on this channel. That's for sure. But let's go ahead and get into this. Now this bag, I'm just over here opening it. It is so cute. So it is reusable. You can use this as a makeup bag, your wig bag, whatever you want. It is so cute, but it is branded. Now inside we do have our satin bag that contains our unit. I love it when a brand gives us options and freebies. That is always a plus for me. It's like, what all am I getting for my money? Aside from that gorgeous unit, you know? So let's go ahead and take it out the pack. This is it. And y'all already know, you can see from this pack, this is a shorter unit. Bob season is upon us, y'all. The spring is right around the corner, and y'all, we gotta prepare. I love a good bob year round, but bobs for me are really great for spring and summer, especially when you work in the elements like I do. I'm constantly walking in and out, so it just works. It's just a cooler solution. Okay, so we do have a 2-pack of the HD wig caps. They're that light color, and they're thin in case you like to do the whole ball cap method. I'm not a ball cap girly, and this is the ball cap method. It's where the wig cap is adhered with glues and tapes to the skin, to the head. I don't like all that. So they did give us an elastic band to help secure our glue, our lace, our baby hairs, or what have you, if you're doing that type of thing. I do love a good baby hair from time to time. I definitely do. So for me, that's the equivalent of sticking down a wig. If I'm doing a baby hair, consider my wig stuck down. But let's go ahead and get into the unit. Now she is a 7x5 bye-bye knots unit. So she does come pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-styled. We do have lace tapes here. Now I do enjoy a good tape from time to time, okay? Those are very nice, but I enjoy a glueless unit. I like to take my wigs off at night. I feel like taking them off, you know, it just helps preserve the unit, in my opinion, when you're not doing bed activities in your wig. But this is the unit. She is cute. Okay. Look at that. Pre-plucked. Alright. Knots have been bleached. She's pre-styled right out the pack. She is ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and put her on because I am ready for this. She is cute. It's like a yaki texture. This is like one of my favorite textures ever because it just mimics black girl hair so good. And not that I'm trying to fool anybody, because everybody knows I wear wigs. Everybody knows that. It's no secret. But look at that. OMGG. The texture is just absolutely gorgeous. Let's go ahead and put her on. Let's see what type of work. I do have my flat iron going just in case we need to, you know, bump the ends or what have you, because sometimes you do have to do a little something to your wig. Even though they come pre-styled and just ready to go, you might want to make a few customizations. Now it does have this elastic band here. I love that they're coming thinner. And it does have the drawstring in the back. So the cap is very nice, very comfortable. You have your little pulley drawstring in the back. You have your thin elastic built-in band. I absolutely love that. It just adds for a more comfortable wear. Now that thick band is nice too, but the thinner ones, I think I like those better now since experiencing them more with my premium wigs. I do. It's more of a nicer fit, especially like on the nape of the neck where that band typically sits. and it adds less pressure to the back of the head. So I love that. So look at this. OMGG. Let's get into the hairline. She is nice. So I think that this is one of those that can really and truly be popped on right out of the pack. There's not much that you would need to do to this unless you want to stick it down. But look at the fit. OMGG, she is seamlessly beautiful. Or unless you want to do baby hairs. Now that is an option. I can see that being a thing or being cute with this. A couple of baby hairs along the perimeter. She's cute, but I am going to make sure that my lace is totally seamless. I'm just going to go over it with my residual makeup left on my brush from doing my makeup this morning. And I feel like we'll be chef's kiss. That'll just be the icing on the cake for me. But let me give you the views, the angles, if we will. But this is cute. Look at it. Now, it is layered. Look at that. She's definitely layered. I love that. She's a cutie. Look at it. Let me give you the side views. Okay. How are we looking from the side? She's cute. All right. From the back. Again, check out Beauty Forever. The link is down below in that description box as always. Look at that. OMGG. I'm feeling it. It is nice. She is nice. And it's just something about a straight unit. It's just simple and timeless. I love it. But let me go check out my lace close up and I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back. And girl, I didn't do anything but lightly just rub this brush along the sides and right here in the front. I didn't put any extra makeup, just making sure the makeup on my face is getting rubbed into it. But honestly, I didn't feel like it really needed it. But yeah, just to be safe, we just did it. But I absolutely love it. I didn't run the flat iron back through it at all because I don't want to mess it up. I like the way this looks. And sometimes when you do that, it just changes it if you don't do the whole unit. So you have some sections that look different from the others, if that makes sense. So I know some of you know what I mean. So I didn't want to do that. Let's just keep everything the same. And right now it just looks good. It has a natural, really nice flow to it. And we love that. So this one's definitely one to add to the collection if you're looking for something simple, just fast to put on. And this was just easy. Just easy, simplistic unit, and it looks natural. This is a natural looking unit. I love it. Look at that. Perfect for work, play, whatever. She's just nice. Just simple and chic. I love it. Let me know what you think. Let me know. You definitely got to have this and this yaki texture. It's just so good. This is good. I love it. Now, if we wanted to do the whole tuck behind the ear look, we can do that. Good unit. I love it. Let me know what you think. Okay, I feel like we're going to keep this on for the rest of the day. She is super cute. Chef's kiss, okay? But don't skip over that description box. All the information will be down below, as well as a nice little coupon code for you to save some coin. So definitely check out Beauty Forever, okay? Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there'll definitely be another video. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, girl, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Bye.